In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify from phone to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open Spotify on your PS5. Now once the Spotify is opened, go on login and press X. Now here it says to play songs from phone to PS5, make sure your phone and TV are on the same network. Open the Spotify app on your phone. On your phone, play a song and then tap the devices icon below and select your TV and start listening. So to do this, on your phone, open Spotify and play a song. And here you will see the this icon, the devices icon, this one. And here you will see your PlayStation 5 name. So my PlayStation 5 name is STV, so I'm gonna select it. And now on your PlayStation 5 screen, you have to go on agree and press X, and if you and it will be connected and you will be able to play Spotify songs on your PS5. So this is one method, and to connect for phone to Spotify with other method, go on login with code. Then here you can scan this QR code, or you can go to this website spotify.com and enter this code, and you and your phone will be connected to your PlayStation 5's Spotify. So this is how you can do it, and I hope this information helped you out. Thanks for watching.